In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your mic on Geforce Now. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your microphone while playing any game available on Geforce Now is extremely simple. Of course, this is going to be primarily useful if you are trying to play a game that needs voice chat input from your microphone, but regardless, it should be available whenever you start streaming any game that has the microphone functionality built into it. So start any game on any device through Geforce Now. Give it some time to load, and once you are inside of your game, all that you have to do is open the Geforce Now menu. So on platforms like Windows, macOS, Android TV, or your web browser, just type Ctrl plus G, alternatively CMD plus G, or hold the start button, and this will bring up the in-game overlay while streaming. You can verify the microphone toggle there, and all that you have to do to use your microphone is to make sure that this is toggled on. You can alternatively try Ctrl plus M, and this will either mute or unmute your microphone as long as this option is toggled here. So once you enable the microphone, you can go back into the game, close down this menu, and you will be good to go. In the right hand corner of the screen, you should also see the microphone icon when it is in use. Now, alternatively, if you are on platforms like iOS and Android, all that you have to do is open the slider at the top left corner of the screen to bring up the in-game overlay, and one of the menus is going to be this little mute icon. All that you have to do now is make sure that the microphone is toggled on instead of off. So, regardless of whether you are playing on mobile or on a more standard platform such as PC, you will be able to have your microphone active when playing any games on Geforce Now. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your mic on Geforce Now. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.